So like most of my clients, you're only going to come see me when you're in pain. But let's prevent pain. Let's prevent the strain on our physical health and our pockets at the same time. So let me show you the interventions I give to my clients to rehab and fully invigorate their feet again and their foundations so that they can be stronger in their lifts, they can be more efficient in their physical activity, and they can also rehabilitate or prevent pain throughout the body. So your foot is the foundation. If your foot is not working correctly, or all the little muscles and all the little tendons and ligaments and joints in the foot are not working, then everything throughout the rest of the kinetic chain suffers. So people come see me with foot pain, even with back pain, and we can fix it, or we can really work on integrating new movement patterns so that the body works much better and we can relieve that pain. So let me tell you about what we do with our toe spaces. Now imagine with your feet, imagine they were hands and they were just bound up. Your hands are bound up for your whole life. Then you try and use your hands to function normally. It's not going to happen. We do the same with our feet. We bound them up in shoes our entire life. We walk on unnatural surfaces and then we expect our feet to be okay. This doesn't happen. So what we need to do is release the structures of the feet by using our toe spaces and splaying our toes. This helps all the ligaments, all the tendons, all the attachments in between to open, allow blood flow, and then restore their natural ability to function and hold the structures of the foot up correctly. So when we do that, we can then roll out the fascia of the feet. Now the fascia in our feet is this communication network of tissue that goes from the plantar fascia, the back line of the body. So it goes up from the plantar foot surface all the way through the back of the body, up through the glutes, up through the back of the neck, and to the eyebrows. This communicates messages of flexibility, tension, anything that our body needs to relay further up the kinetic chain for when we walk, when we run, when we hit, whatever. So if this tissue has blockages in it, then or adhesions or knots, then we're not going to be as efficient. We're not going to flow as easily. We're not going to be as flexible even when we go to touch our toes. If we roll out the fascia in our foot and go to touch our toes, we'll notice we have more flexibility. So these things I love to educate my clients on because they're little gold nuggets they can take with them throughout any physical activity for the rest of their life. And this is what I want to teach you, because to come in to see me for 20 minutes is $90. And if you've got pain, you're gonna have to see me more than once. Again, podiatrists get a bad rap because they just give people orthotics, and while they serve a great purpose and they do work, we really need to strengthen the muscles and the structures of the feet. And so we do this through these few easy, simple tools, and also my video tutorials to show you exactly how to use the toe spaces. We can wear these within our shoes, so they're going to stretch out the structures throughout the day passively. Then we want to strengthen them. We want to use our trigger point and myofascial release ball to make sure we get rid of any knots. And then, we want to strengthen and use our short foot exercises. We want to use our repatterning techniques. So most of the time people give interventions, but they don't actually know how to stop the pain cycle. And that means we could release, but then we re-injure, release, re-injure. And we don't want to do that. We want to actually release, mobilize, stabilize, and set new patterning that comes automatically. So we're always protecting ourselves from injury and making our body more efficient. We want our foot to speak to our core, to speak to the rest of the muscles in our body, to all take on their load evenly. So you know what? Don't bother being in pain anymore, okay? Now's the time to stop it. Now's the time to learn how your body works with a few simple tools. So our toe spaces are usually $99. My consult is usually $90. These range between $5 and $20 wherever you get them from. This one's nice and firm and I recommend this brand. But if you have your own, that's perfectly fine. My course is $149, but today I want to give you this entire pack, the ball, the toe spaces, all of my instructional videos for $99 all up. So if this is something you need or someone you know needs, make sure you jump on it. There are limited packs. Obviously I have limited stock, but Instead of coming and having to see me in my clinic, let me show you what I do to help so many people restore the function in their foot and throughout the rest of their body. All right. Happy days, guys.